Hi there, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Wise account number. So the first thing that you have to do is open up your Wise account, and right up top here, you can see all your Wise balance details, right? So each of those balance details would have a corresponding account number that you can give out to people so that they can send directly to your Wise's account. So if you want to, say for example, open up our US dollar account, just click on the US dollar currency. And once you're on that screen, it'll show you all your recent USD balance transactions. To find your account number, just click on this little green text right here that shows you your account balance, and it'll open up all your account details and information. So it'll show you the name, account number, and all the other account type. It'll also show you a couple of helpful information like the speed of which transactions get processed, the fees, and the limits. If you would like to share this, you can click on share right here, and you can opt to share the details or copy the details or even download it in a PDF format so they could share it with someone else. So that's how easy it is to find your Wise account number. This is the same process with every other balance or currency that you have with Wise. So let me know if you have any questions.